Yeah, girl. I had to park 6 blocks away. Sister doesn't let anyone park in front of her house in case her man decides to come back, so now I'm just walking down this dark, unsafe alley. Hello? Damn it. No, I am too fertile to die. Those fat-ass kids. Frying bacon on my radiator again? Hey, you guys, I told you, just because something is hot doesn't mean it's a grill. Oh. What does that smell?
Well, well, well. Look at you over there all dark and lovely.
What?
Prepare to fry.
Oh, ow, it burns!
Lie.
No, for real, it's burning!
No, lie. That's how you know it's working. No, my chemically smooth follicles!
Damn it, this is what I get for leaving that penny on tails the other day. Oh. Wait, who's there? I don't have any money. My Silver Rice themed denim line did not take off the way I expected. No, don't put no spells on me.
The highest quality pre-stretched one. They're like this can only be purchased online. Not at all nutless. My wrath is unbreakable. Don't leave me here! Another abandoned box ready to spring!
Your kitchen is no match for these hands. This kink is indestructible. It's been trimmed, treated, and deconditioned.
Stay away, I'm very human.
Where I once was new growth, I am now wise strength, the strongest, truest form. You're not going anywhere now.
I think we need to get something straight.
Ah, look who it is, my natural enemy.
I may be weak, but it'll take you years to get rid of me.
Honey, it'll take you more than just for me to get rid of me.
Can your transitioning hair fight the elements? Introducing Frame Fighter 1B, the video game that puts your follicles to the test.
Yes! Fuck you, Rain!
It isn't personal, it's strictly frizzness.
Rated T for texture.